morning, students. Welcome back to Social Studies. Everybody, what all we studied at previous class? Yes, what about solar system? What is solar system? It is nothing but the collection of planets. How many planets we have? 8 planets. Which all those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Right? Next. What all we see further? What is the meaning of galaxy? As well as in universe, what all included in the galaxy? Yes. What is galaxy? It is nothing but the collection of stars, gas and dust bounded is known as galaxies. Yes. How many galaxies are there in universe? There are billions of galaxies. Some are very small and they are in few millions of stars. And rest of other, there are more than 4 billions of stars, right? How many kinds of galaxies we have? 3 kinds. Which are those? Yes, which are those? Spiral shape of galaxy, elliptical shape of galaxy and irregular shape of galaxy, right? Next, what is Milky Way? It is nothing but it is included in the way of spiral shape of galaxy. Yes, next we'll see. Everybody did this homework. Yes, I received the picture of only one student, that is Charika. Rest of the students I did not receive these pictures. So please do this homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Next, we'll see the solar system. What is this? Solar system. In that, now we'll see there are heavenly bodies are called as planet. What the planet is called as? There are heavenly bodies as well as moving around the sun in the fixed path or a orbit. See, everybody can see how the sun is fixed, right? In the path of fixed path, as well as see here rest of the planets are next to the sun, right? Yes, the family of the sun and its 8 planets together is called as solar system. Planets is nothing but the family of the sun. First the sun, after that 8 planets. So the solar system family is sun plus 8 planets. Clear? Yes. The movements of the planets around the sun is known as revolution. Yes. So you can see this is the sun. The movements of that planet which will be around the sun, the movable or that whatever the planets will be in the form of movements is known as revolution. Yes. Next, the 8 planets. Which are those 8 planets? I said you right. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Yes. Next we'll see a planet does not have a light. A planet does not have a light of its own but reflects the light of the sun. Yes. The planets won't have a light, but the sun have a light, as well as it is more heat and we will get light, so that it will reflect on the 8 planets. Clear? Yes. As well as the Earth is the only planet known to have life on it. Earth has land, air and water to support life. So you can see only Earth have a life because we are living on Earth, right? Yes, rest of the planets, they won't have life. Only Earth have life, as well as the Earth is also included land, air, water and life. Clear? Yes. Next we'll go page number 7. In that page number 7, first we'll see the sun. The sun is a star. It is a huge ball of a fire that gives us heat and light. Yes, obviously what the sun will give us? The sun will give us heat as well as light. Then the diameter of the sun is 109 times larger than the earth. Yes, the diameter of the sun. What is the diameter of the sun? It will be 109 times larger than the earth. See, mark it is 109 times larger than the earth. Next, notice how our sun is small in comparison to other sun in the universe. Notice how our sun is small in comparison to other sun in the universe. Not only in our universe, in other universe also there is a sun. But we have a very small sun, but it have heavy light as well as heat. There are many suns in the universe. Yes, obviously there are many suns in the universe. But out more about the vastness of the universe and what is the unique about our solar system. Yes, in the universe there is unique about only our solar system. But in whole universe we have more suns. Does other solar suns have life? What kind of life? Such unidentified flying objects, thus UFO and aliens, do they really exist? Find out. Was there the 9th planet called Pluto? Yes, obviously they are finding the one more planet. The planet name is Pluto planet, but still it does not execute. It should be invented. Yes. What happened to it? Find out the other factors thus fascinating to you about the universe and add to your portfolio. Okay, portfolio will throw it, as well as the sun is whatever in our solar system. It is first the family of the sun. We have 8 planets. Rest of the 8 sun is only the reflecting its light hand to the 8 planets. Clear? Yes. Next we'll go the lunar cycle. What is this lunar cycle? The lunar cycle is nothing but the sun and earth. Between this both, the moon will arise. How the moon will arise? That day by day, each and everything we'll see now. Okay? Yes. See, this is sun, this is earth, this is moon. What is this? This is moon. Yes, we'll see now. Day 1, day 3, day 7, day 10, day 14, day 18, day 21, day 50. See how the moon is surrounding the earth, right? Sorry. As well as it is between the sun and earth. See, day 1, how the moon will be in new moon. Day 3, day 7, day 10, day 14, full moon, 18, 21, 25. We'll see very brief now. The different shape of a moon are we seeing are called as face of the moon. Yes, the difference. See how the different shapes of moons. This is full of black. This is compared to this. We are seeing a quarter. It is not a quarter, but bit less than the quarter. This is quarter. This is also a less than the quarter. This is full. We'll see now. The moon itself does not change the shape. So why does it appear in at different times? Yes. New moon appears in day 1. New moon will appear in day 1. We'll call it as Amavasya. Amavasya day is known as new moon day. Next, when the moon is between the sun and the earth. This is first a new moon day it will arise, right? It will be between the sun and the earth. Day 1 moon. Next, when the moon is between the sun and earth, it therefore blocks the sun rays from reaching to earth. Yes. Whatever between the sun and moon, the sun and earth, the moon will come between, right? It will blocks the rays from reaching the earth. Whatever the sun rays will be falling on the earth, right? Whenever the moon comes between these both, it will block the sun rays because the moon will be middle of sun and earth. Next, the moon appears dark. Yes, the moon will appear in the form of dark. As well as when the moon is on the other side, the earth is after a 14th day. See, 3rd day, 7th day, 10th day, 14th day. What the 14th day the moon will come? It will rotate, right? It won't stay. It will rotate. Now what we can see? Sun and moon. What is the between now? The earth. In day 1, sun and earth, between the moon will be arise. After the moon is rotating the earth, what happens? The sun will come the middle as well as the earth will come the middle between the sun and moon. The earth is between the sun and moon. Yes, the earth is between the sun and moon in 14th day. And so the entire sunlight part of the moon is facing us. We witness full moon. Yes, on 14th day it will come full moon because between the sun and moon the earth is raised. Next, as well as there are the 8 distinct phases of the moon. First one is new moon, waxing, a recensus moon, as well as this is a quarter moon, as well as this is a waxing, a Gabinus, a moon, as well as this is known as full moon. And this is on 18th day, which moon will arise? One name, Gubius moon. And 21st day, last quarter moon. On 25th day, warning a recent moon shown in the diagram above. Now got to know about it. How the moon will be rotate the whole earth from day 1, day 3, day 7, day 10, day 14, 18, 21, 25, right? Yes. Now in the next class we see very brief about the moon. Thank you, students.